Hello everybody. So I don't know why I was thinking about this. Oh, I know why. Because I had this one girl that I follow. She recently cut her locks off, for whatever reason, right? I've been through it. You might have too, because this is my third lock journey. But anyway, so I was just thinking, let me try to straighten this up. Hold on. I think it's straight. I think we're good. Okay. I was just thinking, and by the way, I have my hair just like in a little ponytail. This is the second week, going into the second week of me having, washed my hair or whatever. Second week hair. Yeah, second week hair. We can say it like that. So I'll be washing it this weekend. But anyway, a thought just came into my head. Let me make a video and let me make a video and talk about like if I ever get tired of my locks. Like, do I ever contemplate cutting them and getting a different hairstyle? And the answer right now is no. Even though this is second hair locks, like I still am so happy with them. Like even when it's dirty, that's what I'm trying to say. Even when it's dirty, I'm still happy. Now, there was one point a while ago, months ago, that I was like, maybe I should just cut it off. I told y'all about that in one video. I had saw this beautiful black woman on TikTok and she has a bald head and she's just gorgeous. I was like, that's me. That's me right there. That's what I need to do. But, I realized that probably wouldn't be the best choice for me. So of course I still have my locks and I don't plan on cutting them anytime soon. I have been down that road before where I was tired of them. Was that my first journey? Yeah, my first journey after like 5 years. I was like, I'm done. I want to cut them. And I did. And it was super traumatic for me to the point where after I grew it out a little bit, I instantly got braids and then I started locking again. So I know what that road looks like because I've been there before. I know what that road looks like where, you know what, I'm tired of this hairstyle. I'm going to do something different. And then I cut my locks off and then I instantly regret it. So as of now, I'm loving them.
I'm me again. Feels like it's been years.
Hi guys, good morning. So I just did a video about this Rap Life bandy. Honestly, like it saves the day for me. I only wear them when my hair is dirty, which it is right now. And I was like, Lord, what am I gonna do? Because I'm not gonna wash it for like 2 more days. Rap Life bandy. I only pull them out when my hair is dirty, but I need to wear them more often, but it really saves the day. I just felt like it pulls me together and it gives me some more time before I have to wash all of this. Hi guys, long time no see. Oh, I don't know if I like this. It seems like it's dark. Okay, I think that's a little better. Hold on, let me set it up. Okay, I think that's a little better. So, if you've been watching my TikToks, I did a new do, and it's nothing spectacular. So it's nothing spectacular, but it's the fact that, because you guys know I braid up my hair and I'll leave it up for a few days, and then I will take it down. Oh my gosh, I hope this is not crooked. Hold on. Okay, I'll take it down and have the waves, right? So I've always been braiding my hair going back. I'll do this middle part for the most part. Yeah, the middle part, and then it's going back, or I'll do a bun. But since my hair has grown, your girl is able to braid it up to the side, and I am so happy. So I just part it like this. And then I have this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So yeah, I'll probably wear it. I might wear it a week. I don't know, we'll see. It'll be definitely a few days, but I'm loving it. You know what I was thinking? Like, I was thinking that I would add some extension hair so I can have it like really, really long, you know, like the girls do. But I haven't experimented with it yet. Maybe during Christmas break I will, but even if I don't, I like it this length. So we'll see. It's nothing new, but it's new for me. So I'm gonna share it. Hi guys, earring of the day. I don't know if I've showed this one. So cute. I'm pretty sure I got it at an estate sale. But anyway, just coming in to say that I've had these braids up for a week now. And I love them. I'm not taking them down. No, I'll take them down tonight because I have somewhere to go. But it's just so easy. And I was just thinking like, what if I never took them out and just had big, chunky Congo locks? Hello. Okay, we are headed to my church. Is having a dinner type thank you appreciation for all the volunteers. You guys know that I volunteer at church and our bookstore slash cafe. So I'm getting ready for that tonight. I've had my hair braided up for a week now. I'm gonna take it out so I can wear it down. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing. Let me get my makeup ready right now and then I'll be right back. Okay, makeup is done. Now I'm going to take down my hair and probably, excuse me, been having this cough. Probably just put it back into, with like my little headband ribbon thing because I don't want it in my face. So let's take these down. See how it looks. I'll put my, hopefully it's bright enough, probably not, but anyway, I'll put my lipstick on after I put, because I'm wearing a red sweater, so I'm gonna put that on after just to see what kind of lipstick color I want. All right, okay, I got it all out. So I think all right, so now I'm gonna just kind of like move it to the back and put my ribbon on. Uh-oh, there's one here. Okay. Okay, the hair is done. Just simple. All right. Okay, just got home. Was running late, so I could not get a picture of my outfit before, but now I can. So there's my outfit. Lipstick almost all off. I'm going to bed now. See you guys in the morning. Bye.